Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to share my reflection on the talk title Two Worlds, One Mission, Creating Paradise as a Family, delivered by Pak Utih. The session we had on 7 November 2025 provided meaningful insights on how to build a good communication in family. One of the lessons I gained from the session is we need to understand that marriage is not merely built on love, but it is a means to attain Jannah. Love alone is not enough to sustain a marriage without clear purpose and responsibility. In Islam, marriage is an amanah entrusted by Allah, where both husband and wife work together towards the same ultimate goals. In marriage, each spouse has a distinct role. The husband is entrusted as a leader, responsible for guiding, protecting, providing, and caring for his wife, including leading her away from wrongdoing and towards righteousness. Meanwhile, the wife plays the role of a supportive partner who listens, respects, and obeys her imam in matters that align with Islamic teachings. When both husband and wife truly understand and practice these roles with sincerity, patience, and mutual respect, the marriage becomes a source of peace rather than conflict. Through this balance, Allah grants sakinah to the heart of both spouses, making the household a place of tranquility, mercy, and blessings. Next, men and women are created differently, not only in their physical nature, but also in how they think, behave, and process the emotions. These differences are not weakness. Instead, they are part of Allah's wisdom in creating balance within a family. The talk session highlighted how men tend to focus on one matter at a time, while women have the ability to multitask, manage various responsibilities and emotions simultaneously. This natural make a couple complement each other. Lastly, the lesson is about effective communication between men and women. The speaker explained that men often communicate by focusing on facts and solutions, while women tend to prioritize emotional expression and feelings when sharing their thoughts. When these differences are not understood, small issues can easily turn into a misunderstanding or even major conflicts. Therefore, both must learn to understand each other's communication styles rather than reacting defensively. To maintain harmony, the session emphasized the importance of speaking with adab, using gentle words, controlling one's tone, and avoiding raised voices. Communicating calmly helps preserve the emotions of both parties and creates a safe space where understanding, respect, and compassion can grow within the relationship. All in all, building a good family does not start after marriage, but it begins with how we shape ourselves today. The discussion on the differences between men and women made me more aware of the importance of how to communicate with different gender. I learned that we need to be more understanding, direct, and considerate when discussing things with others to avoid miscommunication. These things can be practiced in our daily life towards family, friends, and also communities. These insights guide me to value communication with adab and mutual respect. Now, I understand that harmony in a relationship is not achieved by winning arguments, but by preserving emotions and maintaining kindness. Overall, this talk has shaped my intention to build a family that is grounded in faith, understanding, and mercy, seeking Allah's pleasure in every interaction.